As tensions continue to shimmer between India and Pakistan following the deadly Pahalgam terror attack on April 22, the Union Home Ministry has asked all states to carry out mock drills in view of the, I quote, new and complex threats in court that have emerged lately. The mock drills across the country will be conducted tomorrow. The civil defense exercise and rehearsal will be held across the 244 categorized civil defense districts up to the village level in India to assess and enhance the readiness of the civil defense mechanisms. For Manipur, Union Ministry has chosen Imphal, Churachandpur, Ukhrul, Moray and Ningthokong for the mock drill. A letter from the MHA to the chief secretaries of all states and administrators of union territories maintained that Ministry of Home Affairs has decided to organize civil defense exercise and rehearsal across 244 categorized civil defense districts of the country on May 7, 2025. The mock drill aims to test the effectiveness of civil defenses such as evacuation plans, radio communications, air raid warning systems, control room functions, and more. It will also include training of civilians, including students, to protect themselves in the event of a hostile attack, implementation of crash blackout measures, early camouflage for key installations. It may be mentioned that the current political scenario and new and complex threats have emerged for the country, including the Northeast region, with Bangladesh aligning with Pakistan. India's Northeast region and its crucial Siliguri corridor come within the range of short-range ballistic missiles and Bayraktar TB2 drone, which are deployed at Chittagong Hill Range in Bangladesh.